Officials say grasses, they're drying out, and although open burning is closed in the area, firefighters are still responding to fires across the county. While there are no outdoor camping restrictions, campfires should never be left unattended. And firefighters are closely monitoring several small wildfires that ignited in the Bitterroot National Forest. Forest officials say crews responded to 6 lightning-sparked fires this weekend. Well, the lightning came with that rain. It gave firefighters a chance to quickly contain the fires, but the fire danger remains at moderate tonight in the Bitterroot National Forest.